name?
Hindi.
My name is Akia. I teach you an alphabet. O is for apple. J is for jam. K is for zebra. D is for dinosaur. A is for apple. B is for ball. P is for pig. H is for hat. C is for cat. G is for dog. E is for train. Ito.
T.
W is watch. M is for monkey. U is for umbrella. V is for violet. R is for rainbow. L is for lion. E is for ito.
Yes.
E is for egg. Y is for yo-yo. X is for snake. M is for nail. X is for xylophone. K is for kite. S is for flower. Q is for queen.
Very good. Thank you. Opo. Thank you, baby.